Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to count the number of alphabet in a string. Okay, so first I will take a string one as a variable and take it as an input. Input, and inside input I will write enter string string here. Okay, and here I will take a for loop for I in str1 to check every element of string 1, is it a alphabet or not. And here I will add a condition if I dot to check alphabet, we use a function is alpha. If I dot is alpha is true, so I will write here if I is I dot is alpha, or you can write here if I dot is alpha is equal to true. Okay, if you don't write this, it is also true. Okay, so if it is true, then we will say update a variable t which is equal to 0 by 1. Okay, so t equal to t plus 1. Okay, and outside this for loop we will just print this t variable t, and it will gives us the count of alphabets in this string 1. So let's run the code. Take an input g double o d 1 2 3 and take this 09 OIO. Okay, how many alphabets are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 alphabets, so enter 7. Okay, you can do it also like this. If if I is greater than a and I is less than j, means we will write here is I is greater than equal to a, and and I is less than equal to what, j. If you are also covering the capital letters, then you will write here if I greater than a or I greater than capital A, and it will be in parenthesis. If after that and I less than equal to j or I less than equal to capital J. Okay, that will also be correct. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video. Thank you.